it's Eugenia. So today I'm gonna be doing another makeup video. So for today's video, I'm like so excited to try out this collection. The collection that I'm gonna be trying out today is the Colourpop Winnie the Pooh collection. When I found out that this collection was a thing, you guys, I had to get it. I love Winnie the Pooh. I think he's so adorable. I'm in kind of a different location right now, you guys, because I've kind of been like reorganizing my room and things like that, and like redecorating with some things. I have like the prettiest new couch ever in that room. I'll probably show it to you guys in like a video soon. I've showed it in streams and things like that, but not like in a video yet, I don't think. But the couch is just so pretty, and it's like really bright, really pretty pink. So I'm just like, oh my gosh, I'm like afraid if I accidentally get makeup on it, like I don't want that to happen. So today we're gonna be filming here. Hopefully that will work okay. Kind of random and like unrelated, guys, but when I was putting my foundation and everything on today to go with like the Winnie the Pooh theme and all that, I actually used these brushes, like, well, you know, like sponges, and these are super cute. It's like the Spectrum Disney Piglet sponges. I'm so used to using a beauty blender, so like whenever I don't, it will always feel like a little bit weird to me and like something I'm not used to, but these I really liked. I thought they were really cute. They're literally shaped just kind of like little like piglet ears. Super cute, just like piglet ears here. So guys, I already do have like my foundation, and I already primed my eyes and all that. So I guess I can just kind of get right into trying out this makeup today. I'm really excited to try it. So here, one of the things I'm like most excited to try today, I have the Winnie the Pooh Sweet as Can Be Colourpop palette. That this looks so cute here. So here's the box and everything, as you guys can see. I think this is so cute with Winnie the Pooh, and then the butterflies there. I love butterflies, so I think that is so cute there. And all the pretty flowers, like, I don't know, I just think this artwork, it looks kind of like, I don't know, it kind of reminds me of like old Winnie the Pooh in a way. I think it's so cute. And then here's the palette with like all the same artwork. Kind of be like kind of careful here. Here is the palette. So I think the palette looks really cute. It looks like there are some really pretty cute shades here. It looks like really pastel kinda. Definitely think it like fits like Winnie the Pooh really well. So there it is, guys. I really like that all the names are just kind of like all named after Winnie the Pooh. Where this is Winnie the Pooh makeup, I feel like, of course, I need to use some yellow. So I think I'm gonna take this yellow shade. It's called Think. It's so cute. So yeah, I'm gonna take some of that and just kind of begin with that color. Oh, guys, I'm like so ready. I actually have a lot of Winnie the Pooh brushes here. I think this color is really cute, you guys. It is a really pretty and cute, just kind of like pastel yellow. I definitely think it goes just like really perfect with like this like Winnie the Pooh theme. And I'm really liking how it's looking, so. Okay, you guys, so there's the yellow. I think that is a really cute pastel yellow. Super cute color. It's very pretty, cute pastel. I don't know if this is kind of random, but I'm really tempted to try the Honey Tree shade. Also this pink called Oh Bother, which, oh, I don't know. Both of these look really cute. I don't know. I'm like, which one should I use? Maybe I'll find a way to use both. We'll see. I think for now, I'm gonna go ahead and try this Honey Tree shade. It looks like a really pretty kind of like green blue. Ooh, yeah. That is very pretty. Looks really nice. So I think I'm just gonna try applying that like right onto my lid a bit. Oh wow, yeah, that is very pretty. So that I feel like is kind of like a pastel metallic-y color. It's a super cute, really pretty green. I don't know, guys, like these kind of colors, like they kind of do remind me of like cute like old storybook with like Winnie the Pooh or something, and like it's just a really cute theme. So okay, I'm gonna use a little bit more of that. So that I think is really pretty so far. Then you guys, I was kind of thinking of maybe trying this kind of like darker-ish looking green here called Sing Ho. That also looks really pretty looking at it in the palette. And I was kind of just thinking I'd put that right next to that lighter kind of green. I think they both should be pretty pastel, but we'll see what happens. Ooh, and that shade is really pretty too. It definitely, like, I think like that's just kind of how this palette is supposed to be, is like they're all pretty pastel, but this one's like a little bit more kind of like foresty, I guess. I feel like it just worked really well too with like the other green, like they blended really nice. So yeah, there is that one. This might be sort of random, but I was kind of thinking of maybe next going into Pooh Bear right there. It's a shade named after Pooh Bear. That's so cute there. And maybe some of this darker shade called In My Tumbly, which looks like kind of like a dark purpley red. And then I might blend that out with like, you know, Smackaroo, which is up here, which looks like kind of a lighter brown. Just kind of like play around with a couple of those kind of in my crease and like do a darker crease. So yeah. Oh, this looks so cute. Like when you put it on the brush, it's like this cute like orangey shade. Like orangey red. It kind of goes with my nails today. Yay. I kind of tried to make my nails like go with this. Like, I don't know if I want to do yellow or red, but I thought they'd both kind of work with Winnie the Pooh. And I thought this kind of corally red would be like perfect. So yeah. Wait, I was worried I was gonna put the darker color. Whoops, guys. But that's okay. We'll make this work. Pigment in this one is really good, guys, like on these matte shades. Wow, that is actually such a pretty kind of like orangey red. Like, I love it. It's so pretty. Wow, you guys. Okay, so honestly, I feel like those shades worked so well. But the palette looks like a pretty kind of like pastel palette. I honestly wasn't expecting them to be like quite that pigmented, but a lot of those matte shades, guys, they have like really good, really impressive pigment. So I don't know, I kind of feel like it gave me kind of more of like a fiery look than I expected in like a good way. Like, I think it looks really pretty and really cool and everything, so I'm really happy with those colors. All right, you guys, so now I'm kind of thinking maybe for like underneath my eye, I kind of want to use like this In My Tumbly shade again. The pigment in that shade, you guys could probably tell is like really good. It's like a really nice kind of like dark purpley kind of shade. And maybe I'll also try some of this shade called Best Friends, which looks really pretty. It looks like that shade has like a little bit of like sparkle in it. Yeah, a little bit, and it's kind of like a dark brown. Looks cool. And then this shade of Rumbly too also looks really cute. Oh, it's like Rumbly In My Tumbly. Those shades probably would be really cute together, but yeah, I don't know how well that shade would work right now, today, but I am excited to try it out. Okay, cool. So that one looks cool. It's like very pastel. I'm really light skin tone, so that might be why, but it looks cute. Like, it looks like a cute color. But okay, yeah, I think I'm gonna try kind of a combination of Best Friends and In My Tumbly here. They both look like really cute colors, so yeah. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and try it. So I definitely do think that those shades worked really well together. It's cool with the Best Friend shade, like you definitely do kind of see, I feel like that little bit of like sparkle in it when you're applying it. I don't know how much of it you guys can see on camera, but in real life, I definitely do feel like in real life though, it kind of does give you like a pretty, kind of like subtle type of sparkle, and it's really cute. So yeah, I think that those worked really well together. Really pretty colors. Alright, you guys, and then for my inner corner, I've been really wanting to try this kind of like golden yellowy looking shade called Make Believe, which is such a cute like name, by the way, for the color. I don't know, I'm kind of hoping it will be like kind of like a really shiny, kind of like highlighter type of color. I guess we'll find out though. Actually I'm kind of rethinking this. I think I might use that as like a highlight, kind of like below my brow bone, because I also really want to try to shade Oh Bother here, which looks like, let's see what they look like. Okay, so that one looks like kind of a subtly pink, but I feel like it might look really nice in the corner, like when it's on. And then, ooh, wow, make believe. Okay, let's do that one actually. Okay, maybe I'll put oh bother under my brow bone, so I can try that one too. I don't know, that make believe shade looks like really pretty, so on my finger it looks really nice. Wow, that is very pretty there, guys. Okay, so you guys can probably see that. It is kind of like a sparkly, kind of like gold kind of shade, like very metallic-y. And I really like that shade. Like, I didn't feel like using that like on the lid or like a lot of sections of eye makeup could be super pretty. So that's probably one of my favorite shades in the palette today. And then we're just gonna try a little bit of this Oh Bother shade. So I also kind of want to try it. And that shade is cute too. I don't know if I love it as much as the gold, but I think it's kind of like probably not supposed to be quite as intense as that one. And I still think it's cute. You know, I still think it's a really cute color that this palette includes, and it still worked. I mean, definitely didn't give as much like shine as the other shade, but I think it's cute. Like, I think it looks good. But because I like that other shade so much, guys, I'm kind of like, maybe I'll just go over it a little bit with Make Believe, because I am really liking that color. There we go. Just makes it like a little more intense, but it was pretty by itself too. Like, don't get me wrong. Okay, you guys, there is like one eye of eyeshadows done. And honestly, I think that these colors were really cute and applied really nice. So I'm just gonna kind of do the same thing on my other eye. Also, I'm just gonna kind of like do liner and all that, because I always feel kind of weird without that. I'll come back and show you guys the finished look with this. So that is how these shades turned out, guys, with both eyes done. And honestly, I am like really happy with the palette. I think that all the colors were so cute for the Winnie the Pooh theme. Like, a lot of the pastel shades are like really pretty, and then oh my gosh, like the mattes, you guys. The mattes I feel like showed up like honestly a lot more pigmented than I expected. I feel like they just like all blended together really nice and kind of like gave off this really cool look. So that is the eye look all done. All right, you guys, wow, it's getting so much darker. Sorry that it's suddenly like nighttime. And next, you guys, I'm gonna be trying out the lip shades here. These all look really cute. So there are 3 lipsticks here. It's called Just a Taste of Honey Luxe Gloss Trio. Cool, okay, I guess these are actually gonna be glosses. I've tried a couple of these from Colourpop in the past, and from what I remember, it's been a while since I've used the Luxe glosses with Colourpop, but I do remember them being pretty good. We got 3 shades here. So I bought all of them, guys. Look how cute the box is for this one, guys. This one I feel like is like very old school Winnie the Pooh, and it's so cute. So there's this kind of light one called Clover Honey. Then we have this one, which looks kind of more like brown orangey. It's called Wildflower. And then there's this one, which looks kind of more like purpley brown. It looks really cool. It's called Dandelion. So let me see what these all look like on too, because I'm kind of curious. Oh yeah, these have like the big brushes. Okay, so see, when you actually put it on, like, they actually are like, they're definitely like a gloss. Like, they're not like gonna be like overly pigmented, I don't think, which I'm kind of happy about, because honestly, like, I kind of like how this look is coming out already. And I kind of like how it's looking with like a more nude lip, I guess. Like, I don't have like any lip makeup on right now, guys. But yeah, I don't know, I kind of think that kind of goes with the look anyway, so. Oh my gosh, you guys, these always smell really nice. Like, I always really like the scent of these Colourpop Luxe glosses. This one, I don't know if it's meant to smell like honey, but I feel like maybe it is to go with Pooh. It's been a while since I've tried these, but I don't know, it kind of smells like honey, so we'll just go with that. So cute. Oh wow, okay, so they're all kind of different, you guys. So I'll show you guys like how they look just kind of like on my hand, I guess. So you guys can hopefully kind of see these here. And see, now when you do kind of rub them in more, they kind of start like getting a lot more clear, sort of. So here, you guys can really barely see it other than maybe like a little bit of shine, is the first color, and then there is like the kind of middle the kind of middle colored one. And then here's the darkest shade, which I think was Dandelion, yeah. And that one actually looks like that one does have some pigment to it, yeah. Kind of a little more like brownish. These are pretty sticky, you guys, so I am gonna just kind of like wipe my hands. I don't know if this is gonna be a good idea, and I might change it. But none of these look like they are, you know, they're glosses, so they shouldn't be like too crazy. I think I actually might go with like this darkest one called Dandelion and see how it looks. Alright, you guys, so there it is. I think it's really, really pretty. Like, I think maybe one of the lighter colors too would have also looked really nice, but none of them looked like too crazy, so I was kind of like, why not try it? But yeah, I do really like how it looks, and I definitely think it did give my lips like a lot of shine to them too, which you guys can probably see. Alright, you guys, and last product here is this collection also came with some highlighters here, and they look really cute. I actually don't think that I've ever tried these type of like Colourpop products. So these are Super Shock Cheek. I've tried some of these that like are for your eyes, like the Super Shock eyeshadows. They're really good from what I've used, but I never actually have tried the cheek makeup. It's gonna be my first time. It looks like it comes with 3 different highlighters. The boxes are so cute though, with these butterflies, like, oh my gosh. I have them all open now. So here there's like 3 of these highlighter, and this one looks like it's probably the lightest one. Looks really cute. Oh guys, oh my gosh. So the little Pooh Bear with the bee, that's so cute. All right, so I think that this is probably the lightest highlight shade. This one is called Silly Old Bear. Looks like kind of like a light yellowy. Then there's 100 Acre Woods, which also looks pretty light. And then I think this is probably the darkest one. This one is called Mind Over Matter. All right, so let me like try these all out. All right, how do you open these? Okay, I guess you just twist it. Oh wow, look at that. Oh my gosh, that like really shows up. This reminds me so much of the Shadow. I think they're like the same type of formula, so that's cool. Yeah, they feel really, really nice. That is what the 3 highlight shades look like. Hopefully you guys can see. So they look like very, very shiny looking at them on my arm. This one looks like kind of a yellowy highlight. This one's kind of a little more golden. And then this one's really pretty too. That one honestly might be a little bit dark for me, where I am like basically a vampire and I am like really, really pale, guys. But for darker skin colors, I think that that looks like a really pretty highlight shade. Wow, and the formula feels really nice. And when you put your finger in, it's just like very soft and it's nice. So I think to get like the most strong highlight, guys, that you're supposed to just kind of like go right in with your finger. And that's what I want, is like the most strong highlight. So I think it was this one that was the lightest one, called Silly Old Bear. Kind of a yellowy one. I think I'm gonna try out that today. And I think these are just like buildable, so maybe I'll just put a little more. I just like a lot of highlighter, guys, so. Oh wow, yeah, then when I turn my head to the side, guys, it is really pretty. So there you can kind of see, I think it does give off like a really nice shine. Like when you look at it in the right light, it's like, wow. I'm gonna do my nose. Okay, so there we go, guys. Really, really pretty highlight, and I feel like it goes really good with like Winnie the Pooh and all of these colors, and it's just like really pretty and shiny and stuff. So yeah, that is the highlighter, guys. All right, you guys, so I think that those are all the products that I'm gonna be showing you guys today. And I think the whole collection was really cute. I thought the eyeshadow was really cute. The lip shades are really shiny and they're cute. The highlight, I feel like gives off like a really nice highlight and is really pretty on. And I just feel like all of this at Winnie the Pooh was like really adorable, guys. I think it's a really cute collection. And I love Winnie the Pooh, so I was just like, I need to try the Winnie the Pooh makeup. So yeah, you guys, I really hope that you guys liked watching this video today. Let me know what you guys think of how my makeup turned out with this like Winnie the Pooh makeup. I love you guys so much. I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.